Welcome back to Hello Daily English. Today's episode is going to be delicious because we're talking about how to talk to a waiter in English like a native.
Delicious and useful because, come on, everyone loves eating out. But sometimes ordering in English can be scary, right, Lily?
Oh, totally, Ryan. I remember my first time in an English-speaking restaurant. I just smiled awkwardly and said, chicken?
Same. But don't worry, friends. After this episode, you'll sound confident, natural, even a little charming when you order your food.
Ooh, charming. I like that. Maybe we'll teach you a few flirty phrases too.
Only if they tip well.
Okay, let's start with a quick reminder. If you love learning real English like this, don't forget to subscribe to Hello Daily English.
Yeah, it's totally free and we post every week to help you sound like a native speaker. And hey, drop a comment below. Tell us your favorite food.
1. Greeting the waiter.
All right, let's start from the beginning. When you enter a restaurant, what's the first thing you say?
Easy. You can say, "Hi, table for 2, please?"
Yes, or good evening, table for 4. It's short, polite, and sounds natural.
And if the waiter asks, "Do you have a reservation?" you can say, "Yes, it's under Lily."
Fancy! Or if not, no, we don't. Is there a table available?
Perfect. See? Easy and polite.
And if the waiter smiles, smile back. That's international language.
Exactly. You don't need perfect grammar, just good energy. 2. Ordering drinks.
All right, now you're seated, you've got the menu. The waiter asks, "Can I get you something to drink?"
You can reply, "Yes, could I have a glass of water, please?" Or, "I'll have an iced coffee, please."
Add please. Always. It's the magic word.
And if you want to sound friendly, you can say something like, "What do you recommend?"
Ooh, yes, that one's fun. And sometimes it even starts a small chat.
Careful, Lily. That's how people flirt with waiters.
Only if they tip well.
Okay, let's start again. Oh, no. My bad. Let's continue. It's polite curiosity, too.
True. So, for example, what drink do you recommend with pasta?
Exactly. You sound confident, social, and natural. 3. Ordering food.
All right, time to order the main dish, the moment of truth.
You can say, "Could I please have the grilled chicken with vegetables?"
Or, I'd like the spicy noodles, please.
"I'd like" is a super polite way to order.
And if you want to ask about something, say, "What's in this dish?" Or, "Is this spicy?"
Right. And one more, "Can I make it without onions, please?"
Yes, customizing your food politely makes you sound fluent.
And friendly tip. Look at the waiter when you order. Smile. You don't have to be serious. Restaurants are meant to be fun.
Yeah, ordering food shouldn't feel like a job interview.
4. During the meal.
Okay, now your food arrives. What do you say?
Always say, "Thank you," or "That looks amazing."
Or even, "Wow, smells so good."
That's a friendly way to make small talk.
And if something is wrong, don't panic. You can politely say, "Excuse me, I think this isn't what I ordered."
Nicely done. Or, "Sorry, I asked for no cheese."
Yes, calm tone, polite words, never rude.
And if the waiter checks on you and says, "How's everything?" you can say, "It's great, thank you." Or, "Everything's perfect."
If you want to flirt a little, just say, "You were right, that was a great recommendation."
Oh, smooth.
I try.
5. Asking for the bill.
So, now you're full, happy, maybe ready for dessert.
Or a nap.
But you need to pay. The polite way is, "Could I have the check, please?"
In the UK, they say bill. In the US, it's check.
Exactly. You can say, "Could we get the bill, please?" Or, "Can you bring us the check?"
And if you're splitting, say, "Can we pay separately?"
Good one. And always end with gratitude. Thank you so much. Or, "Have a great day."
That last line leaves a great impression, just like your pronunciation. Bonus, small talk and flirty fun. Okay, time for our favorite part, small talk.
Ah, yes, those little comments that make you sound natural and confident.
For example, you guys are busy today, huh?
Or, I love the music here.
Or, this place has such a nice vibe.
Friendly, light, not too much, just enough to make a nice connection.
And if your waiter jokes with you, don't be afraid to laugh.
Yes, English speakers love a little humor. It shows warmth.
Just keep it friendly, not over the top. You can be charming without being awkward.
Unless you're me, then you can't help it.
True, Ryan, you are a little awkward.
I'll take it.
Recap and practice. All right, let's recap everything you learned today.
Sure. Step 1, greeting the waiter. Table for 2, please. Step 2, ordering drinks. Could I have a latte, please? Step 3, ordering food. I'd like the pasta, please. Step 4, during the meal. Everything's great. Thank you. Step 5, asking for the bill. Could we get the check, please?
And don't forget those friendly extras like, what do you recommend? Or, this place is lovely.
These phrases make your English sound warm, natural, and confident.
And most importantly, make your meal feel like an experience, not a test.
Beautifully said, Lily.
Thank you, Ryan.
So, if you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to Hello Daily English.
And leave a quick comment. Tell us your dream restaurant or your favorite food.
Or tell us if you've ever flirted with a waiter. We won't judge.
Oh, yes, please share those stories. We'll read some of your comments in the next episode. Thank you for listening, friends. And remember, practice these phrases the next time you go out to eat.
You'll sound confident, friendly, and totally natural.
This is Lily.
And this is Ryan.
And you're listening to Hello Daily English. See you next time.